Hey guys, Adam here. Let's go over one of the trades that we took today in the live trading room. The reason we're coming up with this today is because it's a very interesting technique here. It's something I don't do a lot, but when it comes about, it's a really good trading opportunity, and I'm just going to share it with you and show you how I trade counter trend bounces off of support. As we came in today, we saw that we had this swing low here that we used yesterday for shorting. We had yesterday's low, so we were opening up inside of this support resistance area, inside this range here. And right out of the gate, we were talking about our morning plan, and we were going to look to buy the lows, sell the highs, and if we broke out, we were going to look for buy opportunities, and if we broke down, we were going to look for sell opportunities. So, with that being said, while we're inside of this range, we're sitting here looking to sell the highs and buy the lows until they get broken, until they fail. So that's exactly what we did, and that's the trade we got, and that's the trade we're going to come up with right now. So basically, as this market came down here and retested its lows, I'm going to go ahead and slide over this smaller time frame so we can identify what we're looking at here. Let me go ahead and pull over this tick chart here. All right, guys. All right, so we got a 233 tick chart here, and I'm just going to go back to this lows. These swing lows down here came down to retest yesterday's lows. So this swing came down to retest yesterday's lows, as you can see right here. We had a retest of the lows here. And how do I take that since we are fighting against the trend? At that point, the momentum was on top of us and actually pushing down and pushing this market down on top of us. So how could we possibly get long whenever we're actually fighting against a trend? Especially if you know how I trade. I'm a momentum trader. I like to trade with the trend. Basically, all I did, let me zoom out here just a little bit, guys. Let me zoom out. There we go. So as this thing was coming down into that support, what do? We're against the trend, but we're coming down into some daily support. So as you see, the market came down into this support. We started to get a little bit rocky down here. Then ultimately, we got this push to the upside. So there's the bounce. We didn't just go down here. We didn't just buy right whenever we got support here. We didn't just put a buy order here. I waited for confirmation because is there a chance that this thing could have just shot right down and we got a short opportunity? Like I said, we could have gotten a short opportunity below the lows here. Yes. But what do? We wait for confirmation. So as we came down into support here, we started to get a little bit rocky, started chopping around here, and then the break actually came to the upside. As we had this break to the upside, all I did was took my Fibonacci tool, went from the most recent swing low here, from this anchor leg, low to high, and I took my retracement. I took a retracement here back to the 38% level, got a 38% retracement here, and traded right back in the direction of the mean. So basically this market, we have resistance above, we have support below. This is a 15-minute chart. This is a daily, but nonetheless, these two lines are in line with each other. So we're looking to buy the lows and looking to sell the highs. And look what's happening in the middle here. We're getting a lot of chop right in the middle. So what are we looking to do? We have support down here. We found this. We didn't just buy. We waited for confirmation. As we got confirmation, we got to bounce off the lows. And then I simply just took a retracement in the direction of the momentum. Took a retracement here. Got a fill right here at the 38% level, and then traded this back into the direction of the mean, getting this thing back up towards its moving averages, towards the middle here, right back to where it's comfortable, and then it started slopping and chopping again once it got up there. But nonetheless, very, very high percentage trading opportunity, very conservative way of trading counter trend. Usually I like to go with the momentum. As you see here, we went counter trend. But what it was is a conservative way of trading off support or resistance. Rather than just putting a buy order in down here, just guessing that this is going to bounce, we waited for that confirmation. We waited for that thrust to the upside, and then just took part in it on the way up and just jumped on board and rode the ship to the upside back towards the mean of the overall day. So I hope this helps, guys. If you have any questions about this video, if you have any questions about me trading counter trend or about this move, feel free, email me, adam@directiontrader.com. If not, I hope you enjoyed this video.